Get some of that maple syrup on there. You see that at all? All right, it's Saturday morning and you want pancakes. You deserve pancakes. And then the recipe hits you with this: 1 cup buttermilk. And then you're wondering, who keeps buttermilk laying around in the fridge? Me neither. So today, we're putting 4 pancake recipes head to head. Milk pancakes, Greek yogurt plus milk pancakes, vinegar plus milk pancakes, the OG buttermilk pancake. To answer the age-old question, do we really need buttermilk to make the perfect pancake? Well, let's find out. We'll be judging on these 3 things: fluffiness, texture, and flavor. Here are the contenders. Milk pancakes, aka the control. Just whole milk and extra baking powder. Can science help us cheat buttermilk? 1 cup whole milk, 1 large egg. Whisk it together to combine. To that, let's add 2 tablespoons melted butter. Mix our dry ingredients. That's 1 cup flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2½ teaspoons baking powder, ½ teaspoon salt. Let's whisk that all together. Now let's combine our wet and dry ingredients. You don't want to overmix it, but you do want it combined. Number 2, Greek yogurt plus milk pancakes. Yogurt's got acid and tang. Can it pull double duty? 2/3 cup Greek yogurt and 1/3 cup whole milk mixed together, and we're going to put 1 cup in here. To that, we're going to add our 1 egg. Mix that up together. Dry ingredients: 1 cup flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, and ½ teaspoon salt. Whisk that together to combine. Let's combine our wet and dry ingredients. I'm going to add a little bit of extra milk to this because it's feeling like it's drying it out. Number 3, fake buttermilk pancakes. A splash of vinegar into your milk, classic kitchen hack. But does it actually work? We've got 1 cup whole milk and 1 tablespoon white vinegar. I'm going to whisk that together. Now, you might want to let that sit for 1 to 2 minutes or so. Some people say up to 10 minutes to let the 2 combine. Add our 1 egg, whisk that in there. And let's add our 2 tablespoons melted butter, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, ½ teaspoon salt. Let's whisk that all together. Combine our wet and dry ingredients. Number 4, the OG buttermilk pancake. The legend, the myth, the lactic acid wielding champ. But is it truly the best? Well, let's find out. 1 cup buttermilk, 1 egg. Mix that up together. 2 tablespoons melted butter. Get the 1 cup flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, ½ teaspoon salt. That's whisked to combine. Now let's combine our wet and dry ingredients. Let's make all 4 side by side and put them to the test. So the goal here is consistency. Same griddle, same heat, same cook time. No favorites. We're looking for bubbles, rise, and texture on the flip. Time to taste. Taste 1. Milk pancakes, the control. Right. Real maple syrup on there. That's a solid pancake. It's fluffy, it's light-ish, but that is, in its own right, it's delicious. So if you've only got milk, this will hook you up. Score: fluffiness, 6.5 out of 10. Flavor, 7.5 out of 10. Texture, 6.5 out of 10. Taste 2, Greek yogurt plus milk. Get some of that maple syrup on there. The texture is very noticeably softer and fluffier. You see that at all? Looks pretty good. I want to take another bite of that because I like that one so far. Score: fluffiness, 8.5 out of 10. Flavor, 7.5 out of 10. Texture, 7.5 out of 10. Taste 3, vinegar plus milk. I'm getting a little bit of this acidic flavor, but it's almost, the flavor is more closer to the milk only, and the texture a little tighter than the yogurt. Score: flavor, 6 out of 10. Fluffiness, 7 out of 10. And for texture, 7 out of 10. Taste 4, real buttermilk. OG time. Let's cut into that. Very fluffy. That fluff, it's visibly higher fluff. It's softer. You got the tang from the buttermilk. All of them have that griddle kind of toastiness. And then just the chew on this, it's a fluffier, softer chew. Score: fluffiness, 9 out of 10. Flavor, 9 out of 10. Texture, 9 out of 10. Still the gold standard. Airy, pillowy, buttery flavor, but you gotta go buy buttermilk. So here's the final stack up. See what I did there? First place, buttermilk with 27 points. In second place, yogurt with 23.5 points. Third place, milk with 20.5 points. Fourth place, vinegar with 20 points. This is the aftermath of our 3-person taste test. Myself and my 2 sons, who happen to be experts on pancakes. You want the full recipes? Check down in the description. I've got them right there for you. Try them out and tell me who your winner is in the comments. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. See you next time. I already took 2 bites. This is my 3rd bite. I obviously like this one.